Work-life balance is a mix of time in the office and remote working from home. It's great for employee satisfaction, but a nightmare for the IT department when IT issues arise. With so many PCs being used behind the firewall, when issues do occur, commit more downtime for the employee, expensive site visits, or emergency shipping costs. Wouldn't it be great if PCs could be repaired remotely, rebooted to BIOS, and rebuilt without the need to be physically sitting in front of the PC? With Managed Activation Platform, MAP, you can have an easy-to-use and simple-to-deploy remote management solution for all the PCs in your company. MAP can be used to manage any Windows-based PC, but works best with Intel vPro technology, available as standard in most business PCs. MAP allows your company to manage its performance by giving complete control over your equipment, so you can make remote working a truly successful experience.